Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to unlock your passwords. Let's say you're using Facebook or you're using TikTok or you have other websites you do go and they ask you for your passwords. Maybe you have used passwords that you can't remember. So in today's video I'm going to show you how we can find our passwords using our Android mobile device. So the first thing you do, you go to settings in your Android operating system. You go to settings and then you find security and privacy. You click on security and privacy, and then you have these options given to you. We choose account. We have two different accounts. We have Samsung account security and privacy, and then we have Google account security. So we click on Google account security. But guys, before doing this, make sure you have a Google account and try to, after getting a Google account, make sure you try to set up a phone password, whether it's a screen lock or a face lock or a fingerprint lock. So yeah, you have these options: security checkup, no recommended, actions found. So now from these options, you have from the last point here, scroll to the bottom, you see your save passwords. It's telling me I have passwords for 92 sites and apps. So all my passwords that I have saved, maybe I don't have a book to write them down. Maybe I can't remember them. So you can come, you click on this, your save passwords, and then you are asked passwords for 92 sites. Go to password checkup. You click on this blue option here. It opens, and then you go to password checkup. You click on check password again. Check passwords. Now, as I said earlier, you need to create a Google account before doing this. Make sure you have a Google account. You can go to Google and then you type create account and then you try to get yourself a Google account. So this is my account here. Now we click again, continue. From what I just said, I said you should create a screen lock because Google will not allow you to go and see passwords if you have not created a screen lock or a password or a pin or a face lock, because this is what Google's use to ensure that you are the rightful owner of this device. So you try to do your pattern as how you create it. You do the pattern and then it will open straight to your password. So we wait for our passwords. Google is now a password checkup for 92 sites and it will give you the status of your passwords. We have here no compromised passwords, and underneath we have 82 reuse passwords. That means I have used those 82 passwords on different sites, the same passwords. So it's telling me to create unique passwords. I have the option to go and create another passwords for those sites or those apps if I want to make them unique. Say it's also saying 36 accounts using a weak passwords. So 36 of my accounts are using weak passwords. So for you to see the passwords, you click on passwords. You see the passwords for various sites and various apps that I have opened before. We have AudioMac. You are asked, you have this option here, these 3 buttons here. You can click on it. It will tell you to view your password, update, save password, or you delete your password. You can update your password or you delete the password and then you create another one. We have different passwords. Let's say you want to know your Facebook passwords. You go look for Facebook password, and then you try to do the necessary changes that you want to. So we look for our Facebook Facebook app. So here is it. Here it is, the Facebook app. You are asked here to change the password. Just follow the instructions as it is on the site. You click on these three lines on the far right, and then you have these options. You can view your passwords, update passwords, or you delete your passwords. So this is how you will go about. Let's say now you want to view your Instagram account. You go here again, the same thing. You try to view your account password. So guys, that's it. This is for other apps or other sites that have gone and opened account. So you have here different places that I went to, so you can come and check your passwords. And for you not to forget them again, just use the simple steps that I've shown you for you to get back your passwords. So guys, please follow my account, click subscribe to my channel. Thank you.